In today's video, we're going to look at this new product called Laser Plasma Pen Freckle Remover Machine LCD Mole Remover Dark Spot Remover Skin Wax Tag Tattoo Remover 2 Beauty Salon. And this is a winning product because it solves a particular problem. It solves a skin problem because it removes dark spots on the skin. It's also a winning product because it's sold online and it has a wow factor, so it has a high perceived value. It currently has 4.8 star reviews on AliExpress. The listing on AliExpress called a Belief Official Store. They've been on AliExpress since April 29, 2019. Rather 2019. You can contact the listing that is Belief Official Store on AliExpress via this link. You can also contact them via WeChat. It currently has 2,273 reviews with 4.8 star reviews and 5,498 orders. The cost price on AliExpress is 8.70 USD. However, you can negotiate the price with the supplier by contacting them and also negotiate possibly the shipping times. It comes to different color variation, as you can see on the screen: pink, gold, and white. It has free shipping on the product, shipped from United States to United States via seller shipping method. US expected delivery on April 19th. As at the time of recording this video, which is March 2022, and March is gradually coming to an end, the customers on your Shopify store or Woocommerce store can wait for such products because the shipping times window, the application time is 14 days, but we look at it is April 19th. So because it has a high passive value, depending on your market strategy, the customers on your Shopify or Woocommerce store is going to wait for such products. Now let's progress further to understand and see the marketing structure we're going to use to sell these products on our Woocommerce or Shopify store, and also the same price, know the price you're going to sell these products. The marketing strategy for the mole remover, dashboard remover are: 1. Facebook ads, 2. Instagram beauty influencers, location USA, UK, Germany, and France, and YouTube search ads or YouTube video ads. These are the marketing strategy I suggest you use to market to market or sell the mole remover, dashboard remover. Now, why use beauty Instagram influencers for your marketing strategy? 1. It doesn't look like actual advertising. Instagram influencers have already built trust and relationship with their followers. Use new unsaturated and micro Instagram influencers between 10,000 to 50,000 followers. And Instagram influencers earn on commission basis or one-time payments. As you can see on our screen, the LCD mole remover, dashboard remover, cost 8.70 USD, and it comes with free shipping from United States via seller shipping method. US expected delivery is on April 19. It also have other shipping options. I suggest you always go with tracking available, that is shipping that are tracked to prevent future challenges, returns, refunds, and other frequently asked questions. And questions are unnecessary. So to prevent such, go for shippings that are tracked. You can see the first shipping method, free shipping from United States to United States via seller shipping method, US expected delivery on April 19. You can go with this if you are targeting only United States. If your target audience is only based in the United States, irrespective of their age and their location. So you can go with this. And if you are using Instagram beauty influencers that are based only in the United States. However, the second shipping method is also free from China to United States via AliExpress standard shipping. Explain delivery is on April 27. I suggest you go for the first option instead of going further for these options, except you decide to go for other option, but just go for this first option. Now, looking at this, what are the selling price, the cost price, and the shipping to determine our cost profit margin? The cost price of the mole remover, dashboard remover on AliExpress is 8.70 USD. The shipping cost is also free. Now we're going to have a gross profit margin of 31.29 if we decide to sell at 39.99 USD. You can also sell at the rate of 39.95 USD. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe, share, and leave a comment below. Thank you.